Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. Today I am cooking with you, or you're cooking with me. I always get Home Chef, and it's this super cool food delivery service. I'm sure you guys have heard of HelloFresh and Blue Apron, all those ones. Home Chef is basically the same, but they have way better food. Not gonna lie, I did my research. They have the best food. But anyways, we're gonna cook. Let me go see what this thing is called. I laid out most of this stuff so I wouldn't have to worry too much about it. But here are all my ingredients. They send it in this cute little bag. This, and this were all sent to me in a box. And we're making, I'm gonna give you a binder with all the recipes, but we're making a caprese burger with Italian seasoned potatoes. And then it shows you all the instructions on how to do it. That's what we're making today. But the first thing that I have to do is open my Advent gift. So we're gonna do that now. 12 days of beauty. I'm so excited. Ooh, here's day 2. But the gift today is this super pretty lip gloss. I love pink shimmery lip glosses because my lips are naturally pretty pink. And this says it's Sexy Mother Pucker. Interesting. So this will be cool to use. I like that it's small too, so I can carry it in my purse and it won't take up too much space. I'm excited to try this. But it's time to cook because I'm so hungry. I waited till lunch to do this, and it's time to eat. Okay, so like I said, I have everything laid out, ready for me to do. And it says, before you cook, if using fresh produce, thoroughly rinse and pat dry, preheat oven to 400 degrees, prepare a baking sheet with foil and cooking spray. So I already got the sheet prepared, but I gotta put this to 400. Start. And then the first step is to roast potatoes and prepare ingredients. So I'm gonna quarter the potatoes lengthwise, cut into half pieces, put on the baking sheet with olive oil, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. I'll probably add more than just those seasonings. Okay, so I'm gonna wash this potato and then cut it up and season it. So potatoes are all seasoned up, and we're just gonna put them on a baking tray. Put this in the sink to wash later. I'm just gonna lay them out all nice and thin, one layer. Well, there was burnt residue in my oven, and it made the fire alarm go off. So I took this out, piece of coal looking thing, hoping that was the problem. That was a little smoky, so hopefully I can still cook tonight. If not, Vlogmas Day 4 will end here. But I'm gonna wait till this preheats again, and we'll try again. So I finished the onions, tomatoes cut. I have my patties in there seasoned with salt, pepper, and then this Creole seasoning. This stuff is amazing. I have my bun. I'm going to put that in the oven. The potatoes will be done in a few minutes. And then I'm heating up this pan to put the patties in. Everything is going smoothly. It was a little crazy earlier with that fire alarm, but we'll get it done. I'm still so hungry. It shouldn't take too long to cook the burgers. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Okay, barbecue sauce is down. Patty is back with the caramelized onions. Not the biggest fan of tomato, but I'm gonna try it. So there's my burger. Then I need like a spatula. My spatula is in the sink, so we're gonna use a spoon. These potatoes are so good. They just had me season them and then get them in olive oil, and you just bake them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes, and that's it. This is my completed dish. I cannot wait to eat it. But seriously, I've really been eating these potatoes. They're so good. They're so good. I can't wait to try the burger. 100% recommend Home Chef. It's made cooking so much easier. They send you like 2 servings. So if you like lived with your spouse or your boyfriend or something, you guys could get each a portion and you wouldn't have any leftovers, but I do it. So I get 2 servings and then I have a leftover to eat the next day. So this burger I'll put away in the fridge, and I'll put all the other stuff in the fridge. And then I'll eat it for lunch tomorrow, and then the next day I'll have another meal. This is what I'm cooking tomorrow. It's a creamy corn and tomato shrimp linguine. But I'll probably use like a butter sauce because that's less dairy than whatever Parmesan creamy sauce that they're making me use. But anyways, thank you for cooking with me. This is Vlogmas Day 4. Super fun. I have just like some really fun stuff that I get to do with my friends tonight. So I'm going to eat and get ready, and then yeah. Let me know if you guys have ever tried Home Chef. If you haven't, there's a link in the description box for you guys to get like a super good discount on your first box or something. So go check that out, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! Hey guys, I'm in the elevator and I'm heading to go to Target for Vlogmas Day 4. I'm going to try on some cool outfits for you guys to show you what they have for like holidays and just like casual winter clothes. So that's where I'm headed. In the dressing room. I was only allowed to take 10 things back, so I brought back 9 because I have too many. I think I have like 4 or 5 more things in the cart, but I'm gonna start trying it on. Okay, so these are the first 2 pieces. The skirt is way too big, but if I hold it, it's kind of cute. This pleather skirt is really cute. It has like pockets on it, but clearly it's way too big on me. Let me see if I can hold this. So yeah. But then the sweater, I got it in like an oversized extra large. The sleeves are a little long, but I love that it's like a kind of flutter sleeve, and the mustard color is really pretty. So this would just be like a cute casual kind of fit, and it would look really cute with like black booties on. I think this is really cute. It just, obviously it doesn't fit me that well. This is the first 2 pieces. I'm gonna try on some more stuff. So I love these. This is like a super fuzzy sweatshirt, and then these super cool like camo joggers. Obsessed with these, and they're actually really comfortable. So I love this, and then I'm gonna put on this like black denim jacket over top to see what that looks like. I actually really love this whole outfit. This sweatshirt is so soft. I wish you guys could tell like how soft it is. And this black denim jacket I got in a size extra large, so it gets me like that oversized fit that I love. I really like this outfit. Target's coming through. I like this one. This is kind of cool. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet though. It's like a sweatshirt, like jumpsuit. I just don't think it fits me right. Because like if I pull it down, that looks weird. But if I pull it up to my waist, it like looks, I guess it looks a little better. I don't know. I don't love this, but it's really cool. I don't know how I feel about it yet. Cool idea, but not for me. So these are the next 2 pieces. I have like this. It's a leather button-down top. It's as small, it's not as oversized as I would prefer it. If I wear it off the shoulders, it's not bad. And then I just have like this camo like slip dress, which is really cute. Nothing that I would expect from Target. Like this is really hot and edgy. So obviously I would not wear these socks with it. I would get like some black booties, and I think that would be really cute. I don't know. It's okay. Probably won't buy it, but really cool. Next outfit is like this cozy like 2-piece set, and it has like a tie belt. They're really comfortable. I like the dark kind of olive green color too, and it's like a crew neck. This has a tie belt and has pockets. I think something like this would be really cute on like Christmas Day, where you still look like really put together, but you're still like comfy in like pajamas and stuff. This is cute. And then I would for sure wear it with fuzzy socks. This is nice. I like the crew neck more than I like the pants, but it's not bad. The last outfit that I just have this really flowy, pretty skirt and this like white turtleneck. I really like the monochromatic look. This is a little big. I would want it to sit more like this to fit my waist. I think that's a lot more flattering when it sits on your waist like high-waisted rather than like down here. But it's still a really pretty option. And I like the monochromatic look, and I will wear tall boots because it's a really big trend with this. So cute for like a little Christmas party. I'm so tired, but I'm back. I ended up getting a couple things from Target. I'll show you guys what I got. You probably already know though. I'm so tired. Anyways, the camo joggers, because they're so freaking cool, and I need another pair of sweatpants that aren't just like gray or black. And then the black denim jacket, because it is getting cold outside and I wear that, literally, I will wear that all the time. So that's all I got. Oh, I almost forgot. My gift for today. My 12 days of masking. I'm on day 3. Yeah, clay mask. I love these. This one is cucumber plus pink salt. Ooh, I like that. I'll probably do that today. But yeah, so basically I'm done for the day. I'm so freaking tired. I need to like catch up on sleep, catch up on work, a ton of stuff. But basically that's it for day, what is this? This is day 5 of Vlogmas. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so day 5. I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video for more content like this. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.